now, amplifying India's presence on the global music stage.
So, what is it about Bollywood that makes it so special and spectacular that it gets embraced by the world?
The global export of music is known by these faces, say a Raj Kapoor or a Nitin Chakraborty or an Amir Khan or these kind of things.
People are understanding, hearing every kind of music coming from India.
I work for a festival which is like mainstream festival, but I run a world music venue.
म्यूज़िक की मार्केटिंग जैसे बॉलीवुड में फिल्म में आके थिएटर में आके जब उसमें स्टार फेस आ जाता है तो उस म्यूज़िक की मार्केटिंग हो जाती है.
Celebrating 55 years of IPRS. So what are you feeling right now? What's your experience been till now?
शुक्रिया IPRS का कि जिन्होंने मुझे अपना कार्यक्रम में जोड़ा. मेरी गुजारिश है IPRS से और भी सोसाइटी आर्टिस्ट को बिल्कुल क्लियर बताएं कि भैया यहाँ पे आप गलत कर रहे हो, ये यहाँ से ऐसे सही हो सकता है.
आप चाहे जितने भी छोटे कंपोज़र या क्रिएटर हों, आप अभी से अगर मेंबर बन जाएंगे तो आपकी अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगी और आप कल को जब आप कोई एक गाना निकालेंगे बाहर जो कि बहुत बड़ा ब्लॉकबस्टर हो जाएगा तो उसकी रॉयल्टीज़ आप लूज़ नहीं करोगे.
प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट, मुझे इस बात का बहुत गर्व है कि पिछले 5 साल में हमने IPRS की काया पलट कर दी है. और CSEC के चेयरमैन ने अपने CEO ने अपने इसमें कहा है कि IPRS इज़ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग रॉयल्टी कलेक्शन कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड.
मुश्किल होता है ग्लोबल आर्टिस्ट को या किसी और कंट्री के रिकॉर्ड लेबल को रीच आउट करना या चीज़ें पॉसिबल करनी, तो IPRS ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रहा है, सभी को अभी ये प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है, तो बड़ी बात है और थैंक यू IPRS का इसके लिए.
IPRS was facing, whether it was internal challenges with composers versus label publishers, or whether it was with people who were consuming the music and not paying publishing. I think the last 4 years have seen a dramatic change, and they have helped establish the music publishing business in India. So, hats off to them.
I think it's a very well organized music showcase festival. I really like the scale and the way it is organized.
There are a lot of music and movie from India that we would love to explore.
So for me, it was amazing opportunity to see musicians from around India, and I really appreciate that there are musicians from different parts of the country. So it gives me a very nice opportunity to see the variety of the music happening in India.
The soundscape of India is really, really important for the Indian musician, because India is a huge country and plentiful and diversity culture and music.
I'm very happy to be here because we have the experience to discover a lot of other music, a lot of new talents from India.
For organizing this huge and amazing event, it gives me an opportunity to discover so many artists from many regions from India, and I'm very, very happy to discover this.
IPRS is one of the works that I respect very much.
Beautiful event,
It's lovely that IPRS has taken this initiative of bringing the world to us. Get what we deserve. I love the change that IPRS has brought to our industry. And they continue to do so by having amazing musicians perform and creating a stage for artists, which could...
I think this is the first time we've come to Delhi. This is the first time Hungers have come to Delhi. And this is the first time we've brought Nimar to Delhi and played a show. So it's so beautiful to see the reception of how people are like receiving this music. I think we had a great time on stage today. And yeah, it's just been very beautiful to be here and be a part of this occasion, to be honest. Yeah, truly honored.
This because we as artists also get to see so many artists, so many other artists that sing in regional languages and not just English and Hindi.
It has been a fantastic experience being at Soundscapes of India, and I think such festivals should happen more because it gives artists the chance to interact with the international promoters, which is very difficult. Delhi, even India needs more scenes like this, so we're hoping for more of such events.